Welcome to Orwak, part of Zulu Group. Today we will take you on a tour at the Orwak manufacturing plant. Orwak has been manufacturing balers and compactors for well over 50 years, supplying worldwide to more than 50 countries. Enjoy the tour.
I'm proud of our modern factory, where we produce a broad range of compaction equipment and where safety is a top priority for us all. The commitment our staff has is incredible, and we call it Orange Blood. Orwak invests in new technology and new production equipment. One recent example of that is the factory extension built to house the new fiber laser and bending machines. It ensures high production capacity to meet current, and by that also future needs. We build between 5,000 and 7,000 of vertical compactors on a yearly basis, and are more than ready to increase that number. Sustainability is a guiding star in Orwak's business. Our products contribute to the circular economy by promoting sorting and recycling, and by that reducing the need of transport. It also applies to our own production, as we use 100% green power in the factory. Furthermore, in the near future, we are planning to invest in solar power and install solar panels on our factory roof, this to produce our own power.
The factory includes metal workshop, assembly lines and a big warehouse. Producing our balers from start to finish on the one roof gives us control and efficiency through the whole process. In the production and in the purchase of components, we focus on quality. Quality is very important because the machines we produce will serve our customers for many years. Orwak is a premium brand, and it's a natural decision to work with premium suppliers. At Orwak, it's safety above all, always. It comes first when designing and manufacturing a machine. I'm very proud of a dedicated team. Many have worked here for a long time and have a broad knowledge and experience. We also have a lot of young people, apprentices, who learn and benefit from the experienced ones. Also, safety at the workplace, ergonomics and the well-being of our employees are our first priority.
The after-sales team supports a network of local service partners. Those partners provide customers the best possible service. We arrange regular training for the partners to ensure that the service technicians are updated and maintain a high level of competence on the Orwak products and the technology. After-sales operates worldwide with a long-term commitment where we support the partners and the customers from the installation and in the daily business for many years to come.
The Orwak compaction systems are delivered worldwide, covering numerous industries and application areas. In our sister company, we manufacture a full range of horizontal balers, fully automatic and semi-automatic products. Orwak is a global company with a strong local presence. And having a great, dedicated local team is key to the Orwak success and customer satisfaction. Through our worldwide network of sales and service, we ensure you'll have a great experience with us. 50 years dedicated to environmental care, helping you, our customers, achieve a more sustainable and profitable waste management solution. In summary, we like to call this compact is impact.